Here we want to solve for cosecant x equals 4/3 on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. I don't have an inverse cosecant button, but I do have an inverse sine button on my calculator, so I'm going to write this in terms of reciprocal function. Sine of x equals, if cosecant's 4/3, then sine's the reciprocal of that, so 3/4. So I'm going to hit the inverse sine and put in 3 divided by 4. And I get 0.8481 rounded to 2 decimal places. So x equal 0.8481. Now, there's going to be two answers between 0 and 2 pi that have the same sine value. And thinking of our restrictions for the range so that we have an inverse function, sine is restricted to the right half of the unit circle. So it would give answers from negative pi halves to pi halves. Since this was positive, it gave us an angle in quadrant 1 somewhere. So where else on the unit circle do we get the same sine value? Well, the sine is positive in quadrants 1 and 2. So this angle over here in quadrant 2 will have the same sine value. I know that this angle is 0.8481 approximately. So how can I find the angle that I want to know now, which is this angle? And you can see by looking at the picture, because these angles are the same size, that I could take pi minus 0.8481, and that would give it to me. Now my calculator already has that in, so I do pi minus, hit the second button to get answer, and I get the second angle, which is going to be 2.2935.